In this lesson, I'll show you how to install 1Password on a computer. This lesson in the Improving Your Online Safety with Better Password Management training course is where the rubber starts to meet the road. To begin, I'm going to go back to my computer. Once you've signed up for 1Password, you'll have access to a home screen that looks like this. If you don't have access to this home screen, you should revisit the previous lesson in this training course to see how to sign up. Regardless, this is where you can go to download 1Password for your computer. To demonstrate, I'm going to click the Get the Apps button. Once clicked, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. As you can see, this screen gives you the option to get the app for your computer, phone, or tablet. If you're on a phone or tablet, I would encourage you to watch this lesson instead. But if you're on your computer, stick around as I walk through installing 1Password on my computer. Personally, I'm using Mac OS at the moment, so I'm going to select this option. The steps that I'm going to show you will look similar if you're on Windows. Once 1Password has been downloaded, click the file name from the Downloads bar in your web browser. If you've already closed the Downloads bar, you can still install 1Password. The file will be located in your default Downloads folder on your local computer. That folder will likely be named Downloads. Still, once you open the 1Password file that was downloaded, you'll see a screen that looks like this. This first screen is asking if I want to allow the 1Password installation app to run. This is a security check put in place in an effort to keep you safe. Since I know where this app came from, I'm going to go ahead and click the Allow button. This will start me down the path of actually installing 1Password. The first step on this path provides an introduction to 1Password. This introductory screen simply lists some of the features that 1Password provides. You can read these details if you want. However, I would recommend reading them from the website, which you can get to from this affiliated link. In my opinion, the website has the same information in an easier to read format. Either way, when you feel comfortable, go ahead and click the Continue button. The next screen will let you specify where on your computer you would like to install 1Password. This step is helpful for advanced users. For the sake of simplicity, I would recommend simply using the default location, just clicking the Install button. At this point, you may be given a user access prompt. This prompt is simply asking for permission to install 1Password. I'm going to go ahead and enter the password I use on my computer and click Install Software. At this point, 1Password will take over and install the app on your computer. You can just sit back and relax a bit while 1Password works its magic. Once finished, you'll be asked to enter your account details. These account details were covered in the previous lesson. If you're unsure what these details are, I would encourage you to revisit the previous lesson, which is available here. Once you've set up your account, you can enter those details and click Sign In. This will open 1Password. In the next section, I'll show you how to use your shiny new password manager. For now, I'm going to close 1Password, close the installation app, and delete the installation app as I no longer need it. In this section, we discussed improving your online safety. We began by uninstalling unnecessary browser extensions. Then, we discussed what a password manager does for you and some of the useful features they provide. Finally, I showed you how to install a password manager. Specifically, I showed you how to install 1Password. If you found this section helpful, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. If there's something you would have liked to have seen, please comment in the section below. Either way, we're getting ready to go deeper into 1Password. In the next section, I'm going to show you how to actually use 1Password.